Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is There's a Card Thursday, and I want to show you this great card. As everyone knows, I love tea, so I've gotten the new tea set along with the old tea set. We're going to be doing this card. So what we're going to need is the tea together set. Let me get that. Let me bring this up so you can see everything. We're going to do the tea together set. I'm going to be using Memento ink. For cardstock, I am going to be using some of the gold foiled edged cards and envelopes. I love these cards. I'm also going to be using the Gingham Gala designer series paper. This paper, it's in the occasions catalog. It's got the big size and the little size. I am also going to be using, of course, glue dots and stamping dimensionals, and I'm going to be using the Big Shot, and along with that I'm going to be using the Tea Time Framelits dies, which right now is a celebration item, but you'll be able to get it after celebration too. They're going to carry that over, so that tells me they're going to carry the tea together over also. So what we're going to do is, on a 6x6 sheet of cardstock, or a sheet of designer series paper or cardstock, you can get 2 teapots and 2 cups. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. I'm just going to ink these up. Now, this is a little bit bigger than the ink, so I'm going to do it like that, because now you want to get 1 each in the corner. So I do it this way, and then I'll put 1 over here. So you can get 2 cards out of 1 6x6 piece of designer series paper if you would like. You can use these for other things too. Okay. And then I'm going to do the cups right in the other corners. Let me get down there. There you can see how I'm doing that. And I mean, this is fairly simple. I'm not doing too much. And then, I'm also going to use some Daffodil Delight, because this is Daffodil Delight. This one. The Gingham Gala comes in, let's see, it comes in Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight, Grapefruit Grove, Highland Heather, Lemon Lime Twist, and Whisperwood. So those are the coordinating ones. So now what you do is you just take your framelits and go to your Big Shot and cut them out. So I already have some cut out here. So I'm just going to take that better before I get these all yucky. Go. So all I'm going to do is I am going to put the cup on the bottom, and I'm going to put it over towards the fold side, the left hand side. So I'm just going to put a few glue dots on it. And then this is going to be like the teapot is going to be pouring. Now I don't have any with me, but what I would do was the copper ribbon I would be fraying some of that copper ribbon, and I'd put it right here so it looks like you're pouring some tea into that. But with me right now, I don't have any of that copper ribbon, that copper metallic ribbon. But that's what I do. So anyhow, this is just, you're just going to pour the tea, and then I'm going to take, of course, it says love is a warm cup of tea. I love my tea. And I'm just going to stamp that in Daffodil Delight so it matches. And there you go. For There's a Card Thursday. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and all the supplies are listed below. Please shop with me and help out a small business. I really appreciate it, especially if you like my videos. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.